Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Keurig 2.0 is probably one of the most convenient and versatile coffee makers on the market, offering a wide range of beverage options from hot coffee and tea to iced drinks and hot chocolate, all brewed with the touch of a button, making it an ideal choice for busy households or anyone who appreciates a quick and easy caffeine fix without compromising on taste or variety. Number 5. Keurig K-Classic Single Serve Coffee Maker. Enjoy your favorite coffee just the way you like it. Select from popular brew sizes to achieve your perfect strength and taste. With a generous 48-ounce water reservoir, you can brew multiple cups without constant refilling. It's easily removable for convenient refills. Save energy effortlessly. This feature is programmed to automatically turn off after 2 hours of inactivity. Making delicious coffee is incredibly simple. Just pop in a pod, choose your size, and enjoy a fresh brew in minutes. Get started right away with included K-cup pods and water filters. Ensure every beverage tastes its absolute best. Choose from 6, 8, or 10-ounce brew sizes. For the strongest flavor, select the 6-ounce option. What we like? This one offers the most popular brew sizes and a large reservoir for brewing multiple cups. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss coffee maker for your daily routine, this is a great choice. It's perfect for busy mornings when you need a quick and consistent cup. What people say. The Keurig K55 offers 3 brew strength water level settings, as well as a great variety of other hot beverages such as black and herbal teas, hot chocolates, ciders, and more. The Keurig K55 has a larger 48 ounces water reservoir, which enables us to make a variety of hot beverages in rapid succession, within a few seconds instead of waiting for all the water to reheat. The Keurig K55 offers a personal, custom-tailored brew by letting us determine the strength of our coffee, and we have a choice of 3. The smallest amount for a 6 ounces provides the strongest brew, and the other 2 servings are in 8 and 10 ounces. Number 4. Keurig K-Mini Coffee Maker. This coffee maker is incredibly compact, measuring less than 5 inches wide. It's the perfect solution for small kitchens or limited counter space. You can brew your coffee exactly how you like it. Choose any cup size between 6 and 12 ounces using your favorite K-cup pods. Enjoy the freshest coffee every time. Simply add the amount of fresh water you need for each individual cup you brew. Get your delicious coffee brewed in just minutes. It's always fresh and ready when you are. Keep your countertops tidy and transported easily. The convenient cord storage makes it neat and simple. It's designed to accommodate your travel mug, even taller ones up to 7 inches. The removable drip tray also catches any spills for easy cleanup. Save energy effortlessly. It automatically turns off 90 seconds after your last brew, so you don't have to worry about it. What we like? Its incredibly slim profile makes it ideal for any small kitchen or dorm room. If you have limited counter space or are always on the go, this compact brewer is your perfect match. It's designed for simplicity and convenience, brewing one fresh cup at a time. What people say. This machine brews instantly, as fast as our big Keurig in the kitchen. And no splatter. Clean as a whistle. This little machine just makes my day, one cup at a time. I purchased this mini green Keurig specifically for the size and convenience. It fits easily in my space, and I love that it's easy to clean. You can change sizes, use a stainless steel mug or a regular cup, and it tastes great. Number 3. Keurig K-Elite Single Serve Coffee Maker. Introducing the Keurig K-Elite, designed for coffee lovers who appreciate customization. Enjoy your favorite beverages exactly how you like them, every single time. Whether you prefer a quick 4 ounces or a generous 12 ounces, it brews your coffee in all the most popular sizes. Simply select your desired cup size and brew. Craving a bolder cup? Activate the strong brew option for a more intense flavor. Or, beat the heat with the ice setting, brewing hot over ice for a refreshing cold coffee. Need hot water in a hurry? The convenient hot water on demand button is perfect for instant soups, oatmeal, or your favorite tea. Just press the button and get hot water instantly. Enjoy fast, fresh brewed coffee in minutes, thanks to its large 75-ounce water reservoir. This means you can brew multiple cups before needing to refill, saving you precious time. Your purchase includes a water filter handle and filter. This helps ensure that every beverage you brew tastes its absolute best, free from impurities. What we like. This model gives you ultimate control over your brew, including strength and temperature, plus a dedicated iced coffee setting. If you love customizing your coffee or enjoy both hot and iced beverages, this is the brewer for you. It's also great for more than just coffee, with a hot water dispenser for quick snacks. What people say. The strength and temperature controls let me customize every cup just the way I like it, and it brews quickly with zero hassle. The coffee aroma and flavor is better with this unit, and it brews it hotter, with a range of temps, from 187 to 192 degrees. The hottest coffee of them all, temp options, flavor is perfect, well made, easy to use. Number 2. K&J Keurig Filter Replacement, 12-pack. Enjoy a perfect fit with our replacement filters, designed to be compatible with virtually all Keurig coffee machines, both new and old. They seamlessly integrate with a wide range of models. Our filters feature advanced micromesh material. This ensures that the activated charcoal stays securely inside, preventing any clogging of your coffee maker. Experience the best tasting coffee right at home. These filters remove impurities, calcium, chlorine, and odors, thanks to the activated charcoal, for a superior brew. We are committed to reducing waste. Your replacement filters are shipped with minimal packaging and are individually sealed for optimal protection. We believe these are the most effective filters available. If they don't meet your expectations, our customer team is ready to assist you. What we like. These filters are designed to work with virtually all Keurig machines, ensuring a perfect fit every time. If you're looking to enhance the taste of your coffee and reduce impurities, these activated charcoal filters are a must-have. They offer a cost-effective and environmentally conscious way to enjoy your favorite brews. What people say. The micromesh material of these filters is a standout. It keeps the charcoal inside, preventing any clogging in my coffee maker, which is a relief for any regular Keurig user. The improvement in coffee flavor is noticeable. It's like having a professional barista in my kitchen. These filters efficiently remove impurities, calcium, chlorine, and odors, thanks to the activated charcoal. The result is a consistently great-tasting cup of coffee that rivals any high-end cafe brew. They are universally compatible with a wide range of Keurig machines, including both the smart and traditional brewer groups, K-Duo and K-Slim series, and even K-Express models. This compatibility ensures I never have to worry about mismatched filters for my Keurig K-Elite. Fits perfect into my Keurig. I taste a difference in the cleanliness of my water and fresh coffee. Super easy to use and set it up. This is a quality item and you will struggle to find a similar quality and value out there. Number 1. Keurig K-Supreme Coffee Maker. Unlock a fuller flavor and richer aroma with our innovative multi-stream technology. It extracts more from your favorite coffee pods for a superior brew every time. Customize your coffee exactly how you like it. Brew a stronger cup for a bolder taste, or enjoy a refreshing iced coffee by brewing hot over ice. Whether you need a quick 6 ounces or a generous 12 ounces, it offers multiple brew sizes to perfectly match your needs. The large 66 ounces reservoir is conveniently dual positioned to fit your counter space. Plus, it's removable for easy refilling. Enjoy delicious, fresh brewed coffee in just minutes. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you need your coffee fast. No more waiting. You can immediately brew a second cup without any reheating time needed. Designed to accommodate your travel mug, even those up to 7 inches tall, making your commute coffee a breeze. What we like. Featuring advanced multi-stream technology, this brewer extracts maximum flavor and aroma for a superior taste experience. If you're a coffee enthusiast who appreciates nuanced flavors and wants the best possible cup from your pods, this is the one to consider. Plus, its ability to brew back-to-back cups makes it perfect for households with multiple coffee drinkers. What people say. The handle on the water reservoir is a great addition. The reservoir plastic is also thicker and more durable, and the water container is rectangular so more solid. This machine makes hotter coffee and the over-ice feature is nice. The Keurig K-Supreme provides a much more robust flavor and gives a comparable amount of coffee in about half the time of the other brand. The K-Supreme is easy to use, fits on the coffee station counter, and under the cabinet with no problem. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.